For this website, I had to create two spaces with the description of two courses, for one for the music and sound technology course and one for the music computing course of the University of Portsmouth. So both courses have the same website, but as you can see, the logo here at the top left of the page, of the main page, is different if the user select music and sound technology or music computing. So I'll show you the website for the music and sound technology first, and then I will show you the what is not the same, what changed in the music computing course. So this is the main page. So as you can see, there is a slider here. So the content of the website is not a real content. This is just fake. Each pictures is not free to use. So the owner of this website have to create and to change the pictures and the content of each part of this website. Not only for this page, but for each page of this website. So this is the main page. So the slider is composed of pictures and a title. If the user click on the picture or on the title, he will be redirected on the page which the picture is speaking about. So here, as you can see, it's written go to facilities. So when we click on these pictures, we arrive on the page facilities. So I'll show you each page. So this is the design. So all the website is in a bit of black, a mix between the black and the gray and the orange. So when the user will click on courses, he will be able to select the course. So this is the description of the course music and sound technology. So we have pictures, a description of the course, and a list of each assessment for third year, second year, or third year. And my client he didn't wanted to update two websites if he had another information. So he asked me to create a link here to the website of the university which describe the course with a bit of information. So this is not the website I made. This is just a link to the university, to the website of the university. So the content is quite the same for music computing course. Another picture here is here. We have another description, and the link is of course not the same. Okay, so we have here the content of music computing, but from the website of the university. And here we have another list of each assessments, but for the course of music computing. When we click on facilities, the client wanted to create a virtual visit of the building which could display each rooms. So for real, there are 5 rooms, and I just programmed 3 rooms to show to the client what could be the result at the end. So when we click on a room, for example the room 1, here we have the name of the room. So here it's Studio 1, and we have the description of all the equipment in this room. And at the bottom of this page we have all the equipment in common to each rooms, so the user can get back to the corridor and change the other rooms. And of course the content of each rooms is not the same for each rooms. So here the Studio 2 is empty, but this is just an example. The content of each room are in different database, and I'll show you later how the client could update this section and each section of the website. So when we click on student works, so we have all the achievements made by students. So of course here the content is not the content made by students. This is just fake content from YouTube or Vimeo. So it was just to show to the client what a student could upload on this website. So he can upload a video, a music like here, or a report or an image, I don't know. But in general it could be a music, a video, or a document like a report. So of course the student works of music computing is not the same than the content of music and sound technology. So here again each page is going to find all the information on a database online, and according the title, according the name of the course selected, each page is display or not the content. So this is the page apply. So if a user wants to follow one of these courses, he will have to click on the course he likes, and then here he will have all the information for music and sound technology, all the dates, order by dates, and here you have the required document to apply online. There's two buttons are not working because the client didn't give me the content to make in these pages. I suggest this is just a suggestion for him if he wants to create one of these topics. He could make those topics in this page. Just the FAQ page is working. So here we have each question and each answer at the bottom of each question. So we have the question for music and sound technology, written MST, and we also have the question for both courses with their answer at the bottom. And if the question is not written in this page, the user can fill in this form and send it to the administrator of the course selected. So we can also change the course. If you want to speak with the administrator of music and sound technology, you have to click on that one, and if you want to speak with the administrator of music computing, you have to click on that one. Then you have to write his message and send it. So this is the same for the course of music computing. Of course, the dates are not the same. They could be the same if the administrator select both course, and if he do that, the date entered in the database will be displayed on the page apply for music computing and apply for music and sound technology. And if he click on FAQ, here you have the question for music computing written MC, and for the common question as on the previous page for music and sound technology, and the form is the same. And at the very bottom of each page we have a list of all the pages of this website as a reminder if a user if a user don't know where he can find any information, he can click on one of these links and he will be redirected to the, the page. And the last page of this website is the Find This page with the physical address in Portsmouth and with the social media. So here again, each social media are fake. It was just to show to the client what he could make here. So now I'll show you how to update this website. So of course the user should not know this address, but as this website is not online at the moment, I make it on my website. So the administrator have to enter his pseudo so to log in. So I will make admin. This is the password, and here you have all the content of the website. So I'll show you in another um, window the the, the modification. So this is the website and this is the admin space. So when the administrator click on, so if the administrator want to update the homepage of music and sound technology, I don't know, for example, he want to delete this box, okay, he just have to, so this is the content, this is the homepage for MST, so you just have to click on home music and sound technology, and when you click on it you have all the content of the slider and all the content of each boxes here at the bottom, like that one, okay. And if you want to delete this part, you just have to click on remove, and this box is removed from the database. And from now, if we refresh this page, the content is updated and the box with the girl in picture is not visible anymore. And this is the same for each pages. So I'll show you how to add content, for example. So if the administrator want to add an assessment for music computing, for example, in second year, so a third assessment with description, hello, I'm new here, for example, you just have to click on course music computing because the assessments are in this page, and from here we can edit the pictures, the description, and each assessment. So in our example we want to add an assessment in a second year's in music computing course, so we have to click on add here and write hello, I am a new assessment in second year in music computing. So we can change the course, but in general it will be the same as selected previously and the same for the course. And if we click on send, so at the moment this is not written even if we refresh, okay, I did it, and if we send it to the database we can see it here in the admin space. And from now, if we refresh this page, we can see the third assessment with hello and a new assessment in second year. And we can also edit it, so in MC course, okay, and we send it. So here it's updated, and here we will refresh the page and the content is now updated. So that's all for the admin space. This this is quite the same for everything. I'll show you the FAQ. So I'll show you how to update the FAQ from music and sound technology, for example. So at the moment we have just 6 questions, as you can see here. And if we add another one for both course, I don't know, we will just have to click here and write I am a new question for both courses. So we have here to select the course. We can also click on comment to both course and write the answer. I am his answer. Okay. And from now, if we refresh, the content is update, so the administrator don't have to change the color of the row. The color is not the same, but first the color is orange, then it's quite more lightly, then back to orange, then more lightly. So this is just automatic. So I think that's all for the website. To add content like a video, for example, the administrator just have to click on add. For example, if he want to add a video from YouTube for music computing, he have to click on that button. Then if the student is in first year, you have to click on this add. If the student is in second year, you have to click on this one, and third year is the same. So we will add a content for a first year. So the administrator just have to fill in the form. We will add for music computing, first year, and video. So as you could see, the form is automatically updated. So we will add a video. The student's name is Josh, for example. The URL of the video is, I don't know, I will go to YouTube to find a video. We will make that video this URL, and the title is create a big burger. So the content is not the same, is not ideal for music and sound technology or music computing at the moment, but this is just to show you how easy it is to add the content. And so here the student works are not displayed because we are on music and sound technology. So we have to click here again, then click on music computing and come back to student works. And now the title is here, create a big burger by Josh, and we click here to play the video. So here the program is not from the programmation. This is just from YouTube. So if we click on that one, for example, so here it works. So it was just this video that wasn't working. That one works too. Yeah, okay, so it's working. So that's all for the administration space. All this website has been made by myself using PHP and MySQL. And that's all for this presentation. Thanks for watching.